Hey guys, Rydneed here. Posted some videos of my kind of goofy pellet trap last night, and some people commented about the sound of the 30. So I thought I'd put the camera back on, and I realized some people's interested in that and they haven't heard it. I'm going to fire a few rounds to it here real quick, just so you guys can hear it. Short video. That's all it's about. Probably hear the thump of the pellets hitting in that tube trap on the other side of the shop here more than you can hear the gun.